In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in your GoDaddy account. Whether you've just signed up or have been a long-time user, adjusting the language settings can make navigation a breeze if English isn't your first language or you're just more comfortable using another language. To begin, open your web browser and perform a quick Google search for GoDaddy. This is the quickest way to reach their website. Once you see their homepage in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on GoDaddy's main page, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on that button to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with different sign-in options. You can choose to sign in with your GoDaddy email and password, or for more convenience, with your Facebook or Google account. If you select the email option, simply type in your email address and password in the fields provided. If you're using social media accounts for sign-in, just follow the prompts specific to those services to log in. After entering your credentials, click on the Continue button to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen once more. Here you'll find your profile photo or your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. Click this icon to open a drop-down menu where you'll now want to select Account Settings. This will take you to the page where you can adjust various settings for your account. Now you need to scroll down until you arrive at the Contact Preferences section. It's here that you can make changes to how GoDaddy communicates with you. Look for the Language Selection drop-down menu, which is where you'll make the change. Click on the drop-down and you'll see a list of available languages along with the countries they're associated with. Take a moment to find and select the language and country that best suits your needs. And finally, after you've chosen your preferred language, ensure that you click on Save Contact Preferences. This will confirm and apply your selection, making sure all of GoDaddy's communications and website interfaces are in your selected language. Changing your language setting can really enhance your overall experience by ensuring you understand everything clearly. It makes navigating through GoDaddy's features straightforward and more intuitive. This straightforward adjustment makes the user interface a little more personal and accessible. So, there you have it. A simple way to tailor GoDaddy to your linguistic needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your GoDaddy account that much easier.